Pilahan natin pero sila ang table tennis daw kung palipas na oras. Why? But honestly, it's way more than that. Kapalo ka na ang table tennis na ay core value, which is ang number 1, discipline. You can't improve without focus.
Magkaduha, perseverance. Nabisan ko man kung mapili kita, nagyang kay Brad para magpadayon.
And lastly, we've learned teamwork, not just and double,
While supporting each other. Kabalo ba mo nga na ay benefits ang pagdula og table tennis? It is actually great for our minds and makating kita og paspas.
Plus, it's fun. Makatabang po kini nga makawala og stress. Also, it brings people together.
At school, it's not just a sport,
It's a way to grow.
tara na! Magdula kita og table tennis!